Shanxi Baolongda is located in China's forging capital, Dingxiang County, Shanxi Province. The company covers an area of 39,960 square meters with over 300 employees and more than 160 various machining equipment, including machining centers, CNC lathes, CNC wire cutting machines, forging equipment, and ring rolling machines. Company's main products include various standard flanges, long weld neck flanges, forged cylinders, rings, anchor flanges, and valve bodies. The materials involved include carbon steel, stainless steel, alloy steel, duplex stainless steel, and nickel-based alloys. These products serve as components for valves, pipe fittings, pipeline connections, pressure vessels, etc., mainly applied in petroleum, petrochemical, natural gas pipelines, valves, subsea pipelines, clean energy such as nuclear power, chemical equipment, pressure vessels, etc. Annual production exceeds 26,000 tons of various flanges and forgings shipped worldwide.